welcome to another YouTube video or live cam video, anything you want to call it. But yeah, this is another Lego review, which I've started a series on. So yeah, today we are going to be doing the Melenium Falcon, or Falcon, as some people like to call it. So there are 7 characters in it, and I can go grab the box. So yeah. There's another box in it. I don't care. So yeah. This is the front of the box. I'll move back. This is the front of the box with all the 7 characters on the bottom corner. So yeah, and this is the back of the box. The roof can lift up. The roof can lift up and the front comes off. You can also open up the bottom and shoot out 2 darts from the front. And the blasters, you can actually put the people in the blasters. And the blasters can turn and go up and down for when the blaster got stuck in the forward position in the movie. Not trying to be a major spoiler. But the 7 characters are Ray, Finn, BB-8, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Kanji Club member, and Tusa Leech. All of those are from Star Wars The Force Awakens. So yeah, let's get right to the Millennium Falcon. So its special effects are, as I said before, the front seat. Here, move it back, move it over. See the front with the lights? See that like dart looking thing right there? Shoots out. Same on the other side. Pow. Didn't come out fully. Yeah. But I think that's all we have for the review, besides one thing. The roof opens. Like on the back of the box, the roof can come open so you can see the inside. And the inside has the hard drive, thing. This is the inside of it. I'm not sure you can see it, but pretty sure you can see it. The inside, that's the inside of the Millennium Falcon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!